In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook on Whop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to whop.com. Then from here, you want to go ahead and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create a free account. Now from here, you want to click onto, under where it says your Whops, click onto your user profile. Now we need to go ahead and get an application from our App Store. So click onto App Store. Now from here, we'll see a search app. So now we want to type in files, then hit enter. Now we need to go ahead and click onto files, and this application is crucial because it's going to go ahead and upload and handle the ebook files inside of Whop. So go ahead and add that to Whop. Now once you've done that, once you come back to your profile here, you're going to see files has been downloaded like so. Then from here, go ahead and click into settings. So once you click in the settings, you're going to have the option to add files. So I might need to refresh my screen. All right, here it is here. So we can go ahead and add files. So this way we can add our ebook to Whop. So go ahead and click on add file, find that ebook. Here it is here. So I've got this PDF. Typically you want to go ahead and add a PDF file that's got your ebook in here. So Whiskers and Wonders. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. So you can see I'm uploading my ebook to Whop. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click onto dashboard. Now we need to, under the general tab, click onto products. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on create product. Now you want to give this ebook a name. So just go ahead and put the title of that ebook, and then you can put a headline, what that ebook's about, and also a short description. And now as you fill it out, you're going to see the preview on the right here like so. Now we can also add in some media if you like to do that. So I'm going to upload a cover here. So I've got one in my downloads. Where is it? Somewhere here. All right, here it is here, Whiskers and Wonders. That's going to be the cover for this ebook. Now you can see on the right, we can go ahead. I'm just going to delete that one, and there's the cover. So we can see it in mobile view as well. So we can edit this if we like and change that. If we scroll down, we can change the pricing. So depending how much you want, so this can be a free ebook, one time or recurring. So basically for this ebook, I'm just going to say $5 for purchase and USD. You can change to other currencies, but I'm going to keep it USD. Got advanced options as well where you can play around. We can add a wait list, ask questions, redirect after checkout. Payment cards, we can choose card, platform balance, PayPal, but we need to set up PayPal crypto and apply for access for financing. We can also add another pricing option. We can add features, facts, included apps, and then from here we can go ahead and click onto save. Now once you've done that, you're going to get a little pop-up here. It says your product was created. You can now share your product link with your customers and start making sales. So copy that link and click done, and then send that out to your social medias, your friends and family.